In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your store ID in Shopify. Knowing your store ID is really useful, especially if you work with apps, developers, or support teams that need to identify your specific Shopify store. The good news is, it's very easy to find once you know where to look, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, go to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you usually manage products, orders, customers, and apps. You can get there by opening your browser and typing in your Shopify admin link, or by selecting your store from the Shopify homepage if you're already signed in. When you see your usual admin menu on the left side of the screen, you're in the right place. From the dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen for the option labeled Settings. It usually has a small gear icon next to it. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open the main settings area for your store, where you control things like your store details, billing, shipping, and other configuration options. When the settings page opens, focus your attention on the top left corner of this page. Here, you'll see the name of your store displayed prominently. Just below your store name, Shopify shows your store ID. It may look like a short identifier or handle connected to your store. This is the value most apps and support teams are referring to when they ask for your store ID. Take a moment to double check that you're looking directly under the store name. If needed, you can highlight the store ID with your mouse and copy it so you can paste it into emails, forms, or app configuration fields. If you manage multiple stores, verify that you're in the correct Shopify admin by glancing at the store name before you copy the ID. That's all you need to do. To recap quickly, open your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings at the bottom left, and then look at the top left of the settings page right under your store name. That text is your store ID. Once you know where it lives, you'll be able to find it in just a couple of seconds